Nga, English nga. Yan, hindi na Tagalog.
Rags is a good dog. Dog. Rags the dog. Play.
Yay!
Ito naman.
Ito naman.
Ibaliktad natin dahil
Si Simon.
ama, alam ko yung ito. Ted? Dito ka.
Yan.
Dili. Ted has a pig. The pig's name is Pig.
Very good.
Pig. Love. Mama, tama, love. Mama, dito.
It's time to study.
Ted has a pig.
Yes.
The pig's name is Pig.
Wow, very
Pig.
good.
Love. Love.
Lives.
Live
Big leaves in a pen. Kumbaga
Leaves
naninirahan.
in
Leaves
a
in a pen.
pen.
Yes.
He plays in the mud. Pig is a very, Mama, tinan mo, basa ko. Very big pig.
Very good.
Ito naman, kite.
Ayan.
Kim has a kite.
Mm.
The kite is red.
True.
The kite has a tail.
Ala, ang galing mo
The
na.
kite very in the sky.
Wow.
Kim likes her kite.
Ang galing. Good job, Simon. One day, ako naman. Gusto mo ako naman magbasa? Ha? Okay. One day,
Nasaan?
ito po, yung Yani.
Ito?
Opo. Ako naman
Ito.
magbasa.
Ay, dito.
Yeah,
Dito
oo.
pala.
Ito nga. Ikaw, magbasa. One day, Yani was watching a yacht sail. She had been watching the yacht the whole morning until she felt sleepy. She rested under the coconut tree. She put down the yo-yo, the yarn, and the yam beside her. She yawned and fell asleep. Yani slept soundly. She dreamed about the yacht that sailed far, far away. Isang araw, Yani was watching a yacht sail.
Mama, taban na.
Tama
Ako
na.
na.
Sige, go.
The tent.
Yeah, the tent.
The tent. Tent
Ted.
has a red. Ted.
Tent. Si
Tent.
Ted daw has a red tent.
He is in the
tent.
tent.
Yes.
Ben.
Ben is
Ben is in
the
the tent.
tent. Two. Si Ben daw nasa tent 2. Naadan siya. Ben is in the tent 2. Oh. Then,
Mama, yan lang hindi ko
okay lang.
basa.
Kaya mo yan. Ganito.
Mama, ulit sa...
Kaya mo yan. Nagay na.
Kim has a kite. The kite is red. The kite has a tail. The kite very in the
The
sky.
kite flies.
The kite
Flies.
flies in the sky.
Good.
Kim likes her kite.
Very good. Go.
Ted has a
Anak, marunong ka
pig.
na magbasa ng
The
English, ha?
pig's name is Pig. Pig lives in a pen. He plays in the mud.
Very good.
Pig is a very big pig.
Very good.
Good
Good
pet.
pets.
You can feed
Find. You can find.
penguin.
You can find. How?
You
This
can this place
Pets. These
Pets
pets in
in
many homes.
many homes.
A cat.
A cat is a good pet. A dog,
Cat
a cat, ball
can
can
run
run
and
and
jump.
jump.
A cat.
A cat. Uy, dito ko naman
Dito ka
nagbabasa.
na. A cat
A cat can play with a ball of yarn.
very good.
A
Ah,
can
a cat.
cat
A cat
can
also
also
lick.
lick your hands.
Very good. Hand lang, walang S. Hand. Pag may S, hands.
A dog
A dog.
is good pet.
Very good.
To
Two.
a
Two.
to
Ganito. A
dog
dog is a good
can-
pet too.
no.
Sige, sige, go, go. A dog.
A dog can
Chase.
chase two.
After.
After a ball, a
Ah.
dog can jump
Up. Up.
and can
Catch.
catch in
Ah.
a
Stick.
stick.
A dog.
A dog can
Also.
can
Help.
care
Keep.
Keep
You.
you
Safe.
safe.
Okay, next.
Nasa dog na tayo.
Dali, next.
Generous Caragot. Ito kasi unang pinapabasa ni
Kaya
teacher.
nga, lagi mong babasahin yan. Para sana yung babasa mo.
And
Ah.
to
Ah.
a
Two.
to in
In.
see
Is.
you have.
That. That.
That.
Is. Ganon. That.
Uy,
Tinuturo mo
sabi
ba?
mo kanina hat.
That. Ang hat. Sombrero. That. Tinuturo niya. That is. Ganon.
That
It.
he
He.
was
For.
for and
On.
on
Are.
are
As.
at
With.
with his day in
I.
at
Anong I? I am.
di ba
At.
yan ay ano?
English yan. Hindi yan.
At
Dali.
at
Go. At.
Beth
Ayusin mo.
Beth
This. Have.
or
From.
or
One.
had
Had.
baby
By.
Yes.
Baby. By.
by or
Words.
brew
But.
but
Not.
not
Titignan mo. Ito but.
not have
What?
all
All.
will
Where.
where
We.
we and
When.
your can side
Said.
said
Yes. There. Go.
there and
Use.
use and
Each. We. She. She is a girl. She.
or
Do. Do you have a pen? How? How
how
many years old are you? There. Over there. There is.
ear
If. If.
either
Up.
up
Other.
other
About.
about
Out. Many.
many
Then.
then
Them.
them
This.
so
Some.
some
Hair.
here
Would.
good
Make.
make
Like.
him
Into.
into
Time.
and
Has.
has look
Look.
to
Two. More. Right. Go. See. Number. No. Way. No
Way.
way. No way. Could
Could
you?
could you
People. Tingnan mo. Ay, paano ka makakaano? Tingnan mo, people.
ako
Ay, last na. My.
my
Dan. First. Water.
utter
Bean.
bin
Call. Titignan mo.
Cool.
Who.
Am
It's.
now
Find.
find
Long.
anong now no
Now yan, hindi no. Ang no, Yoki, and oh, no, I know. Ito now, ngayon.
No lang.
Now! It's not yan. I